Okay, folks, a lot of you know about the worst maritime disaster in New Zealand's history. The ship that has crashed off the coast there has been leaking oil, and sometime in the last 24 hours started getting hit with 6-meter waves. The ship is actually broken in half, and the leak is getting worse. There's some kind of disease affecting the reef off the coast of Hawaii, and unfortunately, it really threatens to disrupt the entire local marine ecosystem. We're going to have to watch out for this over the next few weeks. Iran's uranium enrichment facility is nearing operational status, and if you don't believe they can ever attain a nuclear weapon, just think about what happens if they close the Strait of Hormuz. Their nuclear endeavors will not even matter. That will have a violent and precipitous economic effect on the rest of the world. And it also doesn't help that Jan8 is doing everything he can to really just piss off the West. Coming over to science news, folks, we are about 1 week away from the fall of Phobos Grunt, give or take a few days. This is definitely something to keep an eye on. A really interesting article talking about we may have to rethink the late heavy bombardment. Short story, we would have had 40 dinosaur killing experiences since then if it was real. You might know that filament eruption in this coronal hole were supposed to impact us sometime last night, and even though we saw almost no disturbance in our magnetosphere, we still had a lot of solar plasma penetrate, causing ground currents in Norway. The critical frequencies in the F1 layer took another jump up towards that double their normal ambient levels. The total electron content, our electrostatic discharge, got a little bit of a jump there. So we were really affected even though there was no magnetospheric interaction. Folks, let's take a look at solar active region 11393, and it is only labeled beta right now, but this thing is really morphing, growing quickly, and you can see right there where the blue and the red are very close together. This could truly be a beta gamma spot, and if it starts to grow and coalesce even more, maybe even have a delta spot in there. So that's the news, folks. Be safe.